Hello and welcome back to our series on the benefits of cloves. In part 1, we discuss the numerous health benefits of this powerful spice, from improving digestion to boosting the immune system. In this video, we'll be focusing on another area where cloves can be incredibly useful: hair care. Disclaimer: while cloves can have numerous benefits for hair care, it's important to note that if you have any scalp issues, it's always best to consult with a relevant medical professional before trying any homemade or store-bought hair treatment. It's also important to note that using cloves for hair care is not a substitute for medical advice or treatment, and should be used in conjunction with any prescribed treatments. What are cloves? Before we dive into the benefits of using cloves for hair care, let's quickly review what cloves are. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, which is native to Indonesia. They have a warm, sweet, and slightly bitter taste and are commonly used in cooking and baking. However, cloves also have numerous health and beauty benefits, which is what we'll be exploring today. Benefits of using cloves for hair care. So, what can cloves do for your hair? Let's take a look at some of the benefits. Promotes hair growth. Cloves contain eugenol, which has been shown to improve blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow can help stimulate hair growth and make your hair appear fuller and thicker. Strengthens hair. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for hair health, including vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients can help strengthen hair follicles and prevent breakage. Reduces dandruff. Cloves have antifungal properties that can help reduce the presence of dandruff-causing fungus on the scalp. Soothes an itchy scalp. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce scalp irritation and itching. Store-bought clove hair products. If you're interested in incorporating cloves into your hair care routine, there are a number of store-bought products that contain clove oil or extract. Here are a few to consider. Avalon Organics Tea Treatment Shampoo. This shampoo contains clove oil, along with tea tree oil and peppermint oil, to help soothe an itchy scalp and reduce dandruff. Natura Siberica Oblapica Hair Mask for severely damaged hair. This hair mask contains clove extract, along with a number of other natural ingredients, to help strengthen and repair damaged hair. Divine's Natural Tech Energizing Shampoo. This shampoo contains a blend of essential oils, including clove, to help stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. DIY Clove Hair Care Recipes. If you prefer to make your own hair care products, there are a number of DIY recipes you can try. Here are a few ideas. Clove Oil Hair Mask. Mix 1 to 2 drops of clove essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, massage in, and leave on for 30 to 60 minutes before washing out. Clove Oil Scalp Massage. Mix a few drops of clove essential oil with a carrier oil and use it to massage your scalp. This can help improve blood flow and stimulate hair growth. Clove Tea Rinse. Brew a strong cup of clove tea and use it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning your hair. This can help reduce dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. And there you have it, the benefits of using cloves for hair care, along with some store-bought products and DIY recipes to try. Whether you're looking to promote hair growth, strengthen your hair, or reduce dandruff, cloves can be a valuable addition to your hair care routine. Thank you so much for tuning into our video on the benefits of using cloves for hair care. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your hair care journey. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be helping us to create more content that you'll love. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you once again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.